Sorry, I have several names, but my official name is Samdu Chetri. I have a Vietnamese name as well, Tam Ding Hua, and then I have a Buddhist monk name, which is Pelzang. So Sam Gese Samdu Pelzang is my Buddhist name, but officially I'm known as Samdu Chetri. They even add Dr. Samdu Chetri.
Do you have any tips how we can get the people more focused on the most important things?
For this change that you're looking into, I think the best way is to begin already at the school level with values, maybe you can call secular ethics. And we're chasing all our life. Basically, we're chasing behind being a consumer. Families have forgotten to eat together because factory decides for you what to cook, what food is good for you, you know. They are dragging human beings for the means that is called the money, for the profit. And profit for whom? When he doesn't have equity, when he doesn't look into the environment health, when he doesn't look at the human societal integration, what is money then? When you go deeper inside, it all boils down to serving one another, being in relationship, having right understanding, right kind of need for body and mind.
Could you give us main tips for Germany? What can we learn from you?
You're going on the right side of the road. And what I would advise Germany, all the young and the old people, is basically to verify themselves what they are chasing, why they are chasing. Is it really required to be chased? They will get the answer. Like when you have money, you walk in a store, suddenly you see something pretty you want to buy. You have money, you don't think, you just buy it. But verify, do I need that? And the moment it says yes, then you ask next question, what for? If there is a requirement, you have an answer for what for. So I would advise to focus on relationship, have at least 2 meals in a day with your family, sit together, cook together, have organic things, What we are looking for is some kind of, a proper basic needs so that we are happy, we can live comfortably. We have food, some clothes to wear, and a roof over us. I think these are basic needs of humanity. Beyond that, there is no need. There are a lot of studies that's been done around the world that after a certain level of income, depending on what kind of economic situation you are, you don't get happiness or well-being, even if you earn in many fold with your own humankind, number one. Number two, to be very connected to the nature, and we have to find a right means for our body and mind, and as well as meditate, pray. It doesn't mean that all have to be Buddhist. Basically, meditating, I think, is contemplation. It's done in Christianity. Focus on the self, try to be of more resourceful to your own community and the larger existence. So be a part of the coexistence. Don't try to be outside the coexistence.
How do you see the chance that someday there will be some kind of ministry of happiness?
Well, Germany is taking a good stride, and I really congratulate, and I think Germany should have the first happiness ministry. GNH is not a philosophy defeating GDP, but we are saying that there are so many weaknesses in GDP. Whatever you invest in, whatever you spend on, bad or good, it adds to GDP. Bhutan doesn't have any factories, really big factories. But our glaciers on the mountains are also melting at a pace of 3 meters per year. In no time, all the entire Himalayas will be blank. And I think the concept of GNH, picking it up in other world, is very simple, because the domains that we have worked are practical in any walk of life. What we are saying is, if we had to do the accounting, the gross domestic product that we will build up in the country, in any country, will be based on the GNH. All those negative investments or expenditures we would like to subtract. Inspiration and aspiration of human beings, ultimately their ultimate desire is happiness. It's happiness. They all want to be happy. They have forgotten the way. But now I think it's high time we are on the crossroad. It's a chance for all of us to build this on this and find a new means of life and living in it. Time has come. The time is right. Nothing can happen but change. So the change is coming, and it can come in any form. It may not be named as GNH, like 20 states in America are taking up GPI, the Genuine Progress Index, which is very close to GNH.
One last word.
My request for the entire globe, and especially the people of Germany, is that I want Germany to be the leader in Europe in this very change, and I'm very hopeful Germany can.
Thank you very, very much. It was a pleasure. It was an honor to meet and talk to you.
My honor. Honor is all mine. Thank you so much.